This week's treat, the magic muffin. Now, that seems fairly odd. So on today's episode, we're doing something that's been requested fairly a lot, or you could say a fair amount. We are making the magic muffin from the Fairly OddParents. So let's get started because I'm ready to get my rule-free wish.
Combine your pixie sugar, mooncalf milk, phoenix egg, and super strong hair-raising flour, and you've got a perfect cake batter for this extra special muffin. Now to make it that magical purple, we're going to mix red and blue thoroughly together until you get the exact shade that you're looking for. With an ice cream scoop or just a spoon, take your batter and add it into aqua-colored muffin liners, then throw it in the oven for 16 to 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's baking, let's craft a star candle. We cut down 2 different candles that match the color and size of what's in the show, then added some hot glue to piece the 2 together. Leave this out to dry. Next, we use the star hole puncher on yellow candy paper to cut our decorations for the cupcake. Once the cupcakes are done baking, carefully place your stars around it and also insert small yellow sugar pearls to complete the effect. Finally, stick your candle in and voila! You've got one magic muffin that beats all the rules and can be used to grant any wish with just one bite. Now in our case, we decided to make ours as tasty as possible, so don't worry about that when you make this for yourself. Even though you can't wish for it to taste any better, you're not going to. This cupcake is delicious.
This turned out so pretty. I can't wait to make a wish. It's good. I wish Jimmy was here to try it.
What the heck?
Wait,
Ash!
that was my wish?
What? No, wait.
I wish I had my wish back. Just kidding. I really want Jimmy to try this. I wish Jimmy was here.
One sec. Okay, I'm good. You know what?
I would like it.
This is delicious. But you know what, Ash? I have no wish. Because my wish has already been granted.
Oh my gosh, wow.
Have all this.
Wow, thank you.
Oh, goodness gracious.
Appreciate
I'm
you.
covered. Oh.
Thank you for showing up.
Anytime.
And making my wish come true,
Absolutely.
even at the most inopportune time.
Please, have all of my bubbles.
All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Treats of Fiction.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social, and of course, leave a comment below telling us what you want to see us make next on the show.
Yep, and we'll see ya.
Hold on, I'm not gonna take a 12-hour flight back, so I wish I was in New Zealand.
Wait,
bye-bye.